It's the Fun2Learn being a big blue house kiddie rides. I'll just put the camera down here. Before you ask, I am filming this again because someone's flashing. And yes, I'm filming on my camcorder, by the way. So let's do this, shall we? Why not?
Please press the start button.
You're not going to on my camcorder with the sub and flashing, to be honest.
Hi there. It's me, Bear. Let's go on a fun ride together. Here we go.
And yes. You're for Van Lorry next, but I'm going to do it 3 rides. Because I am. To be honest with you. I just feel like it. But Fun2Learn in 2001 or 2002, I lost in Jim Hedison. Of course I will, Bear. Why won't I? What makes you think that, Bear? Get the other side as well. Yeah. Yeah, what on earth makes you think that, Bear? So yeah. You just pick up off there. That's how much going off. And Bear. I love how Bear's looking at you, look. You see? Nice. I don't see any fish. Bear. Yeah, the knife still works. Yeah. Yeah, let's do push buttons down there. And also Fun2Learn being a big blue house kiddie rides.